Hello everyone, and welcome back to Fix This House. And this is our final video in our bathroom remodel series. And I simply wanted to give you a walkthrough of the final product, how it all turned out. And I confess that I had gotten so involved in actually doing the job that it got to be too much to keep filming and making videotape of every step along the way. So I think I pretty much stopped filming. The last video we did was installing the tile floor. I'll put some links to the other videos in this series so that you can check out how we did some of the work. But today I just wanted to show you that we did complete the job and talk to you about some of the things we did to finish it up. So we had installed the new tub, and we have a video on how we do that, as well as some plumbing tips. And then we went with the tile around the tub walls, which turned out really nice. Use these big 1 foot by 2 foot, 12 inch by 24 inch tiles with a marble-like appearance. We put in the decorative glass line, and you know, it all turned out pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's certainly a big improvement, and hopefully it'll be nice for a long time to come. Other things that we did that I didn't get to show you about was the putting in the vanity and the sink. We wanted to go with this new style of vanity that doesn't go right up against the walls, but is more like a freestanding. And Nancy wanted to get the kind with this shelf here to store towels on and things like that. And I'll tell you what, it was such a challenge finishing up the project. All of the little things that you leave till the end just seem to take up so much time. So I'm talking about things like installing new fixtures and the blinds on, you know, the toilet paper holder here. I've got a video on how to install one of those recessed into the wall like that. All the piddly little stuff, like connecting this pipes under the vanity and hanging the mirror and the medicine cabinet. I went ahead and put a new door in place. All of those things just seem to take up so much time. Grouting the tile, new baseboard, and then, you know, of course, painting. All of the things that you seem like are the home stretch just really used up a lot of my time. New light fixtures. But all in all, it's together, it's working, it's a nice bathroom now, and I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. We've got videos on how to install these Venetian blinds. They're cordless. You might want to check them out. And yeah, that's about it. We've honestly been using the bathroom for a couple of months now. I just haven't gotten around to shooting this video till now and uploading it till now. So hopefully the series and this project has been of value to you. You've learned a few things, or at least been inspired of what you can do yourself without having to break the bank. Now I'm going to show you what I love most about this bathroom, and it's that corner shelf in the shower, in the tub. I love that. Really happy to have put that in. That's really, really useful. All right, so there's our new bathroom. Hope you like it. Hope it holds up for many years to come. And I invite your comments and questions on this video or on this project. Happy to talk to you about it, and hope that you've been inspired and encouraged and instructed about what you can do to fix your house. So this is Don signing off for Fix This House. Thank you for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you all on the next video. Bye-bye.